In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background of an Excel chart. To get started, open the Excel workbook that contains the chart you want to edit. Make sure the chart is already created and visible on your worksheet because we'll be working directly with the chart's formatting options. Once your workbook is open, click on the chart to select it. This is important because Excel only shows chart-specific formatting tools when the chart is active. When the chart is selected, you should be able to see its boundary, which confirms you're editing the correct object. Next, right-click the chart area. This is the outer area that surrounds the entire chart, not just the bars, lines, or data itself. If you right-click inside the wrong section, Excel may show formatting options for a different chart element, so take a moment to make sure you're selecting the full chart area. From the menu that appears, choose Format Chart Area. As soon as you do that, a formatting pane will open on the right-hand side of the Excel window. This pane gives you access to the visual settings for the chart background. In that Format Chart Area pane, click the Fill and Line icon, which looks like a paint bucket. This is where you'll find the background fill options for your chart. Under the Fill section, if it isn't already expanded, click to open it. You'll now see several different ways to change the chart background. If you want a simple, clean look, choose Solid Fill to apply one single color. If you want something more polished or visually dynamic, choose Gradient Fill to blend two or more colors together. You can also choose Picture or Texture Fill if you want to use an image or one of Excel's built-in textures as the chart's background. If you prefer a more decorative style, Pattern Fill lets you apply a pattern design. And if you want the chart background to be transparent, select No Fill. After choosing the option you want, adjust the extra settings below it. Depending on the fill type, this may include selecting a color, changing the transparency, choosing a pattern, or adding a picture or texture. These settings let you fine-tune the appearance so the chart matches the style of your worksheet or presentation. Once you've made your selection and adjusted the settings, your chart background will update automatically. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background of an Excel chart.